Dominic Mynsong was officially declared the Congress Party's candidate for the upcoming MDC elections from Mawhati constituency at a public meeting in Jatta, Mawhati. Mynsong expressed confidence in securing victory despite the setback of MLA and MDC Charles Marngar's defection to the NPP. The announcement was made in the presence of senior Congress leaders including RBDCC President MG Karshanlor and Mawhati Block Congress President John Lamarai. Mynsong vowed to serve the people of Mawhati, urging voters to stand with the Congress in the 2025 elections.
Ban long si syai kum utau ban long utau sakri jong ka Mawhati constituency ban ni I ban nadu ka por bang ilayo ya jela Meghalaya nadu snem syajar khanda spatnya poar ban mentang la cross san poar snem I badang don bun ki kam ki bang ide ban le bat kum ki nong mi khmat ngam ko ban long kum kenrat dengan ko ban long kum sakri jong ki pai ba na sungu ya ka parti kongres ka balai tiket inga bat halor kata nga kular ban bot ba ngitip ba ka parti kongres kadai ka ba ladon lupa kata ki frameworks jongka lani kita ki lenti jongka na kabenta ka imlang ka salang karoi kapar ya baduk basuk bat kata ngi I hakamoto ka jongka parti kongres ka jongiro.
The Meghalaya government's recent amendment extending the